Good morning, traders. Super excited you guys are here today. Just the one and done today. Hope you guys ended your week on a strong note. I had the itch to trade quite a bit more, but it's about being disciplined. I only saw the one setup. I sat here a little bit longer, tried to stay patient. That's P-A-Y, patient, because it pays to be patient. I've learned more about being patient, being disciplined, controlling those emotions, not letting them control me, more than anything in life, really. Maybe other than my marriage.
Excuse me?
It was a joke. Alright, traders, let's get into it. Alright, BK. Just popped that one on up. This one having a nice solid sell-off right now. Looking at the 50-day moving average here, this one's really pulling on down. Want it under 45. The 50-day on this is about 44.70. Like some more panic here. Would like some more fear. I'll show you what we're looking at though. This is the daily chart coming down to that 50-day moving average, which it has respected in the past. There we go. There we go. All right, just got a fill, 44.87. Looking to do the 112 method here. But this is coming right down to that 50-day, so this is exactly what I look for here. 44.70 is going to be that 50-day. So here we come. We're coming down even more. Remember, we like the fear. We don't like to see consolidation. We want there to be a nice, solid sell-off here. We want a lot of fear coming in. Longs take longer, so trying to be a little patient here. Seeing some more sell-off, that's fine. Alright, here's some further sell-off. My next ad I want to be around 44.50. Being very patient with this one, but I don't want this to just start stair-stepping down and consolidating. If it starts doing that, we'll look to get out of it. As long as it holds this 50-day, we'll be alright. We gotta not allow the emotions to control us. So it might pull under the 50-day. That's when we'll scoop it on up, and then if it cannot retrace the move and get back above it, that's when we'll look to cut this. But we cannot let the emotions control us. We got to stay in the driver's seat here. This one is having a tough time right here. It's consolidating, moving up and down a bit. And if you notice, I have not added again yet. I have not added again. I don't like to add right next to each other. You know, I do not want to have my ads a few cents apart. We're going to spread them out a bit just in case this thing wants to sell off even further. That way we can have a nice solid average on it. If it breaks under low a day, 44.65, I'm going to punch out of it. You guys see the upper shadows here. It's looking kind of heavy. Not liking it. Not liking the consolidation. Wanted a nice pop on it. Not giving it to us. So we'll probably punch out of this one under the low a day there. We've already formed that low a day. This one's not panicking anymore. It's starting to do sideways consolidation. I'm not a fan of that. So that's going to be my risk there. Now, just below 44.65. No more ads on this at this point. Now that it's started to go sideways. We're getting a little pop on it now. 44.93. Let's get above 45. Alright, I'm going to take it off right there at 45. And be all done with BK. Starting to consolidate. I don't like that. You know, I like to add into fear as it's dropping. Taking advantage of those people's emotions. But this ended up being okay here because what we did was we did not add. We didn't add into it in that sideways consolidation, so I was really happy there. Not letting the emotions control us. We were very patient with this to see what it was going to do, and ended up just taking it there on that pop. Well, traders, I'm not seeing anything else pop up. I mean, I'm just going to take the one trade and be done. You know, I nearly, sold that right there at the high of that little push there. So I'm happy with that. You know, I feel like I'm in tune with where these things bottom and top at. We're like on the same wavelength. Some of these tickers and I were getting to that telepathy level. A little irritated with today, honestly. Yeah, a green trade. But at this point, traders, it's about 10 o'clock. I'm kind of just looking for a trade right now. So probably going to call it. Although I'm a little frustrated with just the one trade, there's good things to take away from it. And one of those being I'm remaining disciplined, staying focused on only trading my edge, kind of the thing that's been consistently working for me. And if it doesn't present itself with many different opportunities out there, then we're going to call it a day. I no longer force trades. It's just waiting for that setup. That's just going to be it for today. The one and done, end of the week on a nice green note. Let me know how you guys did in the comment section below. Hit that like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you all first thing Monday morning.